I'm going to start by chopping off the skin, and then washing it, and then boiling it in salt for as long as possible, enough for me to be able to mash it. So this is what the swede looks like. This is what the swede looks like when you've taken off the skin. It's quite tough, guys, so you make sure you use something very sharp to take off the skin so you don't cut yourself. And I've cubed it like this, so try and make it as small as possible, because it takes long for the swede to get very soft. I have managed to cut my hands. I knew I was going to cut my hands. I don't like using knives, but I know I had to. So that's why you have to be careful when you're making this swede, because the swede is quite tough. Guys, I have washed the swede, I've chopped it up, and I've salted the water. So I decided to split them into two pots, because the swede, guys, was quite a lot. So it feels like I'm going to be feeding an army at this rate with this amount of swede. So I'm going to boil it for 60 minutes at a time, and I'll keep checking to see when it's completely soft enough for me to be able to mash it. Guys, it's all done, and I've labeled it. I'll put some in the freezer and some in the fridge, so in the morning tomorrow we'll top it up with butter, right? We'll put it in the oven for 50 minutes, and then it's all done.